And this thing is a must-have for my zombie apocalypse survival vehicle. It's a horn. It's a horn with many silly sounds, and you even can talk through it. Feels like a toy. Very cheap plastic, but what can you expect for 20 bucks from eBay? And now I will install it in my beautiful Fiat. Due to the fabulous design of this car, there is a perfect place for it. Right in the middle of the car, beneath the wipers, there is a spot for it. Perfect spot for it. I just need to figure out how to mount it, and that's it. After that, it's only a matter of connecting few wires. So finally I've mounted the horn here, and I've connected the earth cable. It's very easy. You just find a metal spot on the body of the car and just connect it. But with the positive cable, usually you will see in many videos that they connect the cable right to the battery of the car, but it's really not very safe. So I decided to do it the right way and connect it through the fuse. It's not much harder. You just need a longer wire and run it to the fuse box. So I ran it right into the interior of the car. And now it's inside, and all that's left is just to connect it. To avoid a fire caused by this crappy electrical work, I'm using this fuse holder. The fuse will blow if something bad happens in this electrical circuit, and I'm tapping it in the place of horn fuse. Let's see how it works. As you see, it works, and it really feels more expensive than $20. Now all that's left to do is just to, mount it somewhere so it looks decent. It might be illegal in your country to use these types of horn, but I don't really care, because I will not use it on public roads, only on closed areas, so it's good for me. Let's mount this thing. And so this is it. If you want to use it, you can use it. You can talk through it. You can make various stupid sounds. And when you don't need it, just put it there, and that's it. And almost like nothing's there. Well, almost, because it doesn't really fit there. What a beautiful car. For anyone who is still watching, thank you. You can always hit the like button, you can follow this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.